In this video, I will show you how to change your LinkedIn email address. To do this, just go and open up LinkedIn, and then in the top right, click Me, and from here, click on Settings and Privacy. Now, once you get to this screen right here, you want to go and click on Sign In and Security. And then from here, click on Email Addresses. Now here you will already be able to see what email address you currently have, but you just want to go and click on Add Email Address. And then usually you will get a 6-digit code sent to your current email address. Now I've already entered that, so for me, therefore it skips that step. But from here you can now enter a new email address, so just enter whichever one you want to change to. And then click Submit. And now they will send a verification link to your email, so just go and open up your email and then verify that it is actually your email address. So the email looks something like this. From here just click on the link, and then just go and sign into your account. Then after you have done that, you will now see your secondary email right here. So I've just added this one. And now to make it your main email, just click on Make Primary right here. And then again, enter your password and click Make Primary. And then now your primary email will now be changed to your secondary one. And now you can just remove it if you want. And then again, enter your password and then click Remove. And then you will just need to enter a 6-digit PIN sent to the email address you have just entered. Now, just in case you cannot actually access your email address, whether it's the current one or the new one, just click on Can't Access this email and then they will help you. And then click on Submit. And now I have changed my email address on LinkedIn. So that's how to change your LinkedIn email address even to your primary email. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.